About a year ago, I extracted acetylsalicylic acid from aspirin, and for about a year now, I've had nothing to do with it. The reason for this is a combination of lack of equipment and lack of experience. But I've had about a year of experience, and I've collected a bit of equipment, so on my road to 200 subscribers, I've decided to test my growth in chemistry knowledge by doing an actual synthesis. With this aspirin, like the title says, I'll be making Wintergreen, or methyl salicylate. To start out with making the methyl salicylate, I take approximately 20 grams of the acetylsalicylic acid I made a while back, and all I need to do with this is add 152 mils of methanol. I then put this on a hot plate, turn on the stirring, and I wait until it looks like everything dissolved. Besides all the mystery chunks in there, everything was going pretty smooth. I turn the stirring all the way up and slowly add 20 mils of 98% sulfuric acid. I make sure to add this slowly because the dilution of sulfuric acid is very exothermic, meaning it lets off thermal energy. I don't want this solution to fly everywhere, and this is because hot sulfuric acid on your skin is bad, or no bueno for all you Spanish-speaking folk. This, though, isn't too big of a deal for me because sulfuric acid doesn't bother me, and my issue is more with the methanol getting on my skin. Methanol is one of those chemicals where if you breathe it in, you're dead. If you touch it, you're dead. If you drink too much of it, you're dead. If you look at it too hard, you're dead. So I carefully add the sulfuric acid, managing to only let a little bit fly out of the beaker. All I need to do is set this up for a reflux, but I don't have a reflux condenser, so I put on a little watch glass and turn on this heat. I boil this for around an hour, and this is where the reaction is happening. After it's finished boiling, I take off the watch glass from the top of the beaker, turn off the heat, and take the beaker off of the hot plate. While still warm, I add about 100 mils of water to the solution, and this turns it all white. This is just unreacted starting material, and I just have to wait for the bottom layer to separate. I carefully pour out the top layer, and what's left is crude wintergreen. I go in with a syringe and pull off everything so I can separate out the small top layer that's left. Last, all I need to do is add this to a small vial. I could clean this out, but I won't not because I'm too lazy, but because I like how mad it makes all the actual chemists watching this. Anyways, I'd like to thank most of the people who subscribe to me and watch these videos. It's because of most of you guys that I still make these videos. Keep in mind I said most of you, you know who you are. And as always, thanks for watching.